Hey, yo, good morning. Thanks for tuning into TTF. Let's get on some fish today. Wow, don't tell me I have a fish on already. That would be insane. Oh, I do. I just put my lines out. Slow down. Is that a fish? Oh, that is a fish. We're on. And are we off? Okay. And I lost my board. Okay, let's cross over here. That's how it's gonna be. Oh, there we go. Just like that. I gotta go get my board. Where is it? Let's go find that board. Let's go back to the waypoints, figure out where we are. All right, I think I found it. Let's see if we can scoop it up. There we go. Mission accomplished. Let's get this guy in the bag. Let's see if we can clean up the deck a little bit. Let's do it again. This time we'll put our boards on. Whoa, whoa, I got fish on. I got fish on. That's on the spoon. Okay, come on, we on still? Ah, we're off. Came off. It's all good. That's on the 3 color. Okay, let's get this guy on a board so I can push my lines out. Just let this guy down a little more. And we're fishing. Is that a fish? Oh, that's a fish. Oh, that's a fish. Oh, that doubled up. I'm doubled up. Tripled. Well, this guy's off. This guy's off. Let's handle this guy. Wow, this guy's fighting. Ah, he came off. Oh, he didn't. But I think my board came off. That's what happened. Man, having a lot of board issues. Let's get this guy in and go get our board. We'll see if our downrigger still has a fish on. All right, where's that board? Okay. Yeah, you're just gonna have to stay like that. He swallowed it deep. All right, where's that board? Fish still on? He's off. He's gone. It's all good. It's all good. Where's that board? All right. Good, good, good. Oh. Wow, can't believe I've had 2 hits on the spoon, Magnum spoon. Let's get this guy taken care of. There we go. We still on? Ah. Dang it. Missed a drive-by. There we go. Where we at? Where we at? Where we at? Oh, this is it. This is it. This is it. Are we on? I think so. Oh man, it doesn't feel like he's on. Man. It's the second drive-by that I missed. Oh, that looks good. Come on. Let's go, let's go. 27 feet. Can't believe it. Well, that's my alarm to head in. The morning started real promising. I had a fish on right when I put my line in out of the harbor. At one point I was tripled up, and surprisingly I had 2 fish that were on my Magnum spoon. 3 colors down, but then it became a grind, and I haven't had much luck since then. A few drive-bys, but all in all, we'll take what we got. I'm gonna make one more pass through this area where I marked a lot of fish, and then I'm gonna head in. As always, stay safe, keep fishing, and mahalo. You need help? You got it? I'll help you. Grab the tail like this. Yeah.
Hey, it had ice on it.
Yeah. Put it right here. Can you wash it?
What?
Can you wash the fish? Thank you. Should we see what's in the stomach?
Yeah.
See if there's any fish in there?
Yeah.
Let's see. There's one. Oh, look at that. One baby fish. 2.
Oh, this is so cute.
3.
This is so cute.
4, 5, 6,
Okay.
7,
That's so cute.
8.
That's so cute.
Oh, there's more.
And there's more in the stomach. There's so much.
9.
Another one.
9 baby fish inside there.